Did you set goals for the new year? 1 month in, how are you going with them? Not so good? Don't despair. It's not too late. There is a way to make sure that you can achieve your goals, and it goes beyond just setting them. You have to develop a relationship with your goals. Now, I know that sounds a bit out there, but stick with me. It's not airy-fairy. I have got some proven strategies that are going to help you reach your goals this year. So January has come and gone, and by the end of January, about 25% of people have completely given up on their goals for the new year. And when you consider that 8% of people actually accomplish their New Year's resolutions each year, it can get a little bit discouraging. But like I said, don't fear. I have got some strategies that are proven to help. And I know it sounds a bit out there, but really going beyond setting goals and actually developing a relationship with your goals will help you achieve success in the new year. And be sure to stick with me to the end. I have an absolute game-changing strategy that has completely changed my life for my achieving my goals and my productivity. So stick to the end. So let's start with the basics. Setting a goal. You do have to start there. And that's just identifying what it is that you want to achieve. And I think we're all familiar with SMART goals. They need to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And you're going to want to tease these goals out so you can get a real picture of what success is going to look like. 5 years in the future, 3 years in the future, 1 year down the road, and even today. Achieving goals is a daily journey, which is why establishing a relationship with them makes sense. To be successful, you need this ongoing connection and commitment. It's a daily commitment to each of your goals that will see you through to achieving them. So how do you do that? I have strategies, like I said, that are going to help you to form this healthy relationship with your goals and see you on the path to achieving them. First things first, you need to spend a bit of time in introspection. You need to identify if you have any limiting beliefs that are going to get in the way of you achieving your goals, and you need to deal with them. For instance, if you're trying to run a marathon and you have a limiting belief that you've never been able to run more than a mile at a time, that can get in the way of you achieving your goal. So you need to identify those limiting beliefs and identify any of that negative self-talk and replace it with positive self-talk. This is where positive affirmations come in. Positive affirmations really do work. They make a difference. Put Post-it notes on your bathroom mirror, around your desk, in your kitchen, wherever you're going to see them on a regular basis. It may sound a bit out there, but it works. Whatever you put out into the universe is what is going to get manifested. I've been there. I've done it. I put a note on my mirror in my bathroom and I looked at it every single day. And about a year and a half down the road, I looked back at it and was like, oh my God, I've actually achieved this goal. I need to write a new goal. I've met it. So it really does work. Put the positive out in the universe and you will manifest it. The next thing you need to do is make sure that you're reviewing your goals on a daily basis. Like I said, this is a relationship. If you're married, you need to have a relationship with your spouse every day, right? It's not just once a week or once a month. That's not how it works. So you want to review your goals daily so you keep them front of mind and know what you need to do. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. I use a digital planner. So like I said, I keep that card on my bathroom mirror so I see my goals every single day. If you are someone who uses a paper planner, then I highly recommend every single day, write your goals on your planner. Keep them front of mind when you write them on your planner every single day. Either way, both of these methods are going to renew your commitment to your goals every single day. Next, you need to establish a way to remain accountable. You can do this by joining a mastermind of like-minded people who will help keep you accountable to accomplishing the tasks you need to reach your goal. You can also get a coach. Think about if your goal is a weight loss goal and how a personal trainer is going to help you remain accountable to achieving your fitness goals. Same thing with the business coach. This regular, rhythmic system of being accountable will go a long way to making sure that you are achieving the actions to accomplish your goals. Another way is to join a community that can help support you as you work towards your goals. Beyond the accountability of a mastermind, being in a community that is supportive can really make a difference in accomplishing your goals, accomplishing those tasks on a consistent basis. They're there to cheer you on when you accomplish a milestone, and they're also there to help support you and give you encouragement when things aren't going so well. All of that support and camaraderie-ship can make a huge difference. Along the same thread as establishing SMART goals, you need to have milestone achievements to know how you're tracking as you're working towards your big goal. For instance, if I want to create a 7-figure Amazon business, I need to know what that means in smaller chunks so I can accomplish it. How am I going towards that goal? Well, what do I need to do to reach that goal? I need to break that down. How many products do I need selling, and at what amount of revenue do they each need to generate to get to that? So 6 products selling or generating $15,000 of revenue a month would hit your over $83,000, and you would be making $1 million in revenue in your Amazon business. Now, to accomplish that, I need to then back up and say, well, how many products do I need to research to find that number of products that's going to generate that sales for me? So you can see how you break it down from the big goal and you just back it up and you accomplish each step along the way. So you see, knowing exactly what steps you need to take to accomplish the big goal that's going to lead to the accomplishment of achieving that big goal, you can have those milestones along the way and you know that you're on track. You can see how it sort of plans itself out for you and what you need to do. The next strategy goes hand in hand with this one, and it's celebrating those small wins. Celebrate accomplishments along the way. Celebrate all the small milestones that you make, or as someone that I know calls them minor stones. Celebrate those minor stones or milestones that you accomplish along your way to achieving your large goal. In addition to that, stop and take stock of yourself and celebrate not only the tasks that you've accomplished, but the transformation you're making as a person and how you're becoming better at accomplishing the tasks you need. So it kind of feeds itself. You're accomplishing the tasks, but you're transforming as a person as well into someone who accomplishes tasks. That makes sense. Regardless, celebrate these steps along the way. Don't wait to the end to celebrate. Now, I promised a truly life-changing strategy, and I'm not kidding when I say that this really did change my life and my productivity when I implemented it. It's actually a pair of strategies, not just a single strategy, but they go hand in hand. So I kind of bundled them together. Putting these strategies in play has completely changed my life and how I get things done. The big shift came when I got really serious about time blocking. Along with that, I set a single goal for each day, one task that no matter what has to be accomplished. So I have my routine tasks that I have blocked and scheduled into my calendar every day. So that's holding me accountable to myself that I have to accomplish those every single day. Putting times affixed to when I'm going to do each of those tasks that I need to do on a routine basis has just made it so much simpler. I don't have a big monster to-do list that's not organized and set out. I have a plan, and this plan just repeats throughout my calendar. I have to do my sales monitoring each day during the week. Or once a week. I have to check my emails for each of my different email accounts every single day. I put all of these things in very minor tasks. I put all of them in to my calendar. And then at the top of the day, I have a single solitary goal, the most important thing that I have to do that day and that I must accomplish. So the combination of having that one daily goal along with the time blocking really has made a difference in me being productive and getting things done. This framework guides me through my day. And then at the end of the day, when I go put my feet up and spend some time with my husband, I can be truly present and I'm not distracted thinking, oh, did I get everything done? Have I accomplished everything I needed to? I know I have because I scheduled it into my calendar. I ticked it off. It's done and dusted. So there you go. Strategies to help you create a healthy relationship with your goals so you can achieve what you set out to do for the new year. I hope this has helped and provided some value. Let me know in the comments. Comment below. What strategy are you going to implement? What made the most difference to you? And if you want to, what are your goals for the new year? If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified of future videos like this one.